Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe. It's great to be here.
Chloe, today's topic is a very important question. Tell me about yourself. It can be a little scary, but we will make it easy and fun. We will start with just 4 simple questions. Ready?
I'm ready.
Remember what Master Miyagi said. I promise to teach, and you promise to learn. I speak, and you do. That is your part. So, let's start with the first question. What is your name?
My name is Chloe.
My name is Alex. So, my name is Alex. Your name is Chloe. Good. Now the second question. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Great. I am from Canada. So, Chloe is from Brazil, and I am from Canada. And the third question, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
I am 28 years old. So, Chloe is 25, and I am 28. How old are you? And the last basic question, what do you do?
I am a student.
I am a teacher. So Chloe is a student. Alex is a teacher. Perfect. Now it's your turn. I will give you 15 seconds to write in the comments a short introduction. My name is, I am from, and I am a, or I am a student. We know your name, where you're from, and what you do. But what about you? How do you describe yourself? How do you describe yourself physically?
I have white color.
Good try. But we don't say I have white color. We say I am white or I have white skin.
Oh, I am white. I have long hair.
Nice, but we say I have long hair, not a long hair. Can you try again?
I am white. I have long hair.
Perfect. I am a man. I have brown hair and I am tall. How about you? How do you describe yourself? Now you try. In the comments, write one sentence to describe yourself. You can say, I am, or I have. I will give you 15 seconds to write in the comments. Okay, Chloe, let's talk about our personal lives. First, let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Perfect. I have one sister. So Chloe has one brother, and I have one sister. Great. Now pets. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a cat.
A cat. I have a dog. Chloe has a cat. I have a dog. Speaking of pets, some people have fears. Let's also talk about feelings. We can describe ourselves by our feelings. For example, what is a fear you have?
I have fear of spiders.
A very common fear. We say, I am afraid of spiders, or I have a fear of spiders. Can you try that?
I am afraid of spiders.
Yes. What about a desire you have?
I have a desire for travel.
Great. We can also say, my desire is to travel, or I want to travel. I am afraid of heights, and my desire is to learn a new language. What about you? What is a fear or a desire you have? Great job! Now it's your turn. In the comments about your personal life, you can say, I have one brother, I have a pet, or I am afraid of. 15 seconds to write in the comments. Let's move from what we fear to what we love to do. What is a hobby you have?
I like to paint. I also like to read books.
Nice! What is something you don't do but want to learn?
I don't play guitar, but I want to learn.
That is a great desire. For me, I like to write poetry, and I play the guitar. But I do not play tennis, and I want to learn.
So you like to write and play music, and you want to learn to play tennis.
Exactly. And you like to paint and read books. And you want to learn to play guitar. What about you? What do you do, and what do you want to learn? This is a fun part. Let's talk about what we like and don't like. First, favorite food. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
My favorite food is pizza. So Chloe's favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pizza. Now, what is something you don't like? A food, maybe.
I don't like olives.
I don't like spicy food. What is a food you don't like? Wow, Chloe, this was a great conversation. Now we know a lot about each other.
Yes, I feel more confident now about talking about myself.
Exactly, and that is our goal. Remember, you can use these simple sentences. Just speak slowly and clearly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Absolutely. We hope this video was helpful.
Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. It helps us a lot. And remember to tell us about yourself in the comments. We want to get to know you. I've prepared a supplementary PDF with explanations and practice exercises. The link is in the pinned comment. When this video reaches 10 comments, I'll release a PDF with the explanations and answers. If you liked learning how to talk about yourself, we have another perfect video for you.
Yes, what is it?
It's a video with 131 sentences in the simple present so you can practice even more.
Oh, that's great.
Yes! So you can continue practicing with those sentences, just click on the next video here.
It's an amazing way to practice.